short. So, all the side short is for me.
Zambia. Ibadde birungi okutwaliza wamu. Kiikirira ggwanga tuwanguddeyo awaadi 2 twebaza Katonda olw'ekyo.
Okay, wabadde nominated mu categories ki era wasukukinza awards ki ziri mmeka zo?
Zabadde category 2, Young Entrepreneur of the Year Africa and the African Brand of the Year, Fashion Brand of the Year. Yes. Katonda ye yatuyambye era ne tuzifuna.
Young Entrepreneur of the Year.
Yes, yes.
Kati olaba zino awards zikusaana gwenka gwe Oscar Kampala.
Abantu abagira Oscar Kampala basobola okuddamu ekyo. Oscar Kampala is bigger than me, so yeah.
Awards zabadde wabaziyita batazi.
Awards baziyita Zikomo Awards Africa. Zibeera Zambia, sometimes South Africa, but this time on they're in Zambia. Yes.
Wali obaddeko nominated mu any awards outside Uganda oba wano in Uganda?
No, I've been nominated in Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya before. Yeah. Yes. Kintu kya kwesiimisa kiwulikika bulungi kuba ne bwe twatuuseeyo engeri gye batuyisizaamu nga Bana-Uganda, it was so overwhelming. Naffe twabadde tetukisuubira that, you know, people recognize our work that much and respect us that much. So twebaza Katonda tusobodde okutuuka ku buwanguzi buno okubuzeeka.
Mu race eyo mwabaddemu Bana-Uganda banne?
No, race categories nabaddemu temwabadde Bana-Uganda, but there are other categories that had Ugandans.
Ngani bani ababaddemu ba fashionistas abawana?
Fashionistas, I didn't really, I was on tension, so I didn't focusing kuchanga. I didn't really see which categories had what and what. Buli kimu kirina amakulu. So
bani ababadde balonda mu awards zino bantu b'ebweru?
Abantu b'ebweru ne Uganda. Bana-Uganda be basinze okulonda era I thank Ugandans so much, mostly the young generation, our generation. Thank you so much for, you know, pushing our brand. Yeah.
Abantu abasinga bagamba awards zino zibeeramu bribery, bazigulirira, baziwa abantu abatali legit kuzifuna mu voting awo mubaamu okureginga. Kikyoyinza okwogera ku awards ezo oziraba otya zimazeewo bbanga ki mu existence?
Ekyo nze sikimanyi nnyo, rigging votes and all that, because it's not like I've been in the industry for the longest time. I'm a new person in the industry. I wouldn't say I've been here to see who all complained about what and what. Money, that's all I know. They've recognized us, respected our work. Ugandans have voted, and here we are. Yes.
Briefly, Oscar Kampala akola biki? Abantu bongera okutegeera biki by'odiiringamu?
Oscar Kampala, Oscar Kampala is a brand. I just represent the brand. Oscar Kampala is a brand that customizes suits for men. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, kakati abantu mu bantu ba wano abakola mu fashion muntu kigolaba n'ogamba nti networkinga kweno level neno era bw'obanga onjogerangako nteekako ono.
They say ranking because my vision as a person, it's not about ranking with anybody. It's about taking Uganda out there. You understand? So people are out there competing, supporting each other, growing brands, opening stores in other countries. So to the way your conversation, I feel like it's a belittle for us. No, not for me, but for the whole industry.
Okay.
Yeah. So
sijja mubuusa maaso simanyi bwojja kitwala naye Uganda emanyi nnyo omwami gwe bayita Ebyabwe mu awards ategeka ebikujjuka ategeka awards nnyingi. Basi lwaki onyiize bwotyo mu butuufu? Gwe ne Ebyabwe olaba njawulo ki eri wakati wammwe ababiri? oli akola biki gwe byolaba byotakola oba gwe okola biki ebi different kodi okuba nga ye aboominga nnyo n'okusinga Oscar Kampala oba ye ali so
ekibuuzo ekyo kizibu okuwa answer because sikyebuuzangako so sina answer yakyo.
Olaba Ebrahim omusinga
sikyebuuzangako so I can't even say, you understand? Yeah, it's not something I've ever thought about or yeah, so there's no I can answer what I've never thought about.
Lwaki gwe toboominga nnyo nawe n'okolayo oba fashion galas nga ba Ebrahim ze bakola ate wakawo tumulabe ku Instagram bulungi.
Simanyi mukama wange kyombuuza naye one thing I know, we are on a journey for Uganda, not for yeah, and for the young people, so that's all we know. I don't really have a lot of knowledge about the things you're asking.
Okay,
Oscar. Abantu abali mu fashion n'eggwanga at large z'oleese.
Award is, it's a sign that it's possible. If I can go and, and they nominate me with my role models and I, get the awards, it shows that it's very possible. Kuba abantu beba nominating then there are people I used to look up to. There are some guys in Mozambique, Nigerians, very big people. So it's really a blessing that nasobodo okuzireta.
Lastly okuva gyendi olowooza ki ekibulamu mu fashion industry ya wano Uganda okubeera nga scooping awards nnyingi nnyo naddala eziri international?
To be honest, awards si kye kisinga obukulu. The most important thing is progress in business. Yeah, focusing on business and we grow services, quality products. Abantu okubategeeza what actual business is. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that's what we have to focus on. But we can't focus on. When you focus on the business, then the business focuses on you. Then things like this come. Yeah. So, but when you focus on awards, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's something your children can eat. Yeah, but it's just a sign of appreciation. Yeah.
What made you stand out? Even the attention you accorded from the airport, pick up the cars and everything.
Ekintu kye babadde basinga okwogerako, most of the people I met, the thing they're excited about, the movement we made there, 1,000 men in Oscar Kampala. That's something people have never done in the world. People have done it, but not one fashion brand doing it. It has been done by combined forces. But Fenga Bana-Uganda, twayimirira, we did it as a fashion brand. Nebawagira Oscar Kampala, and we were able to pull it off. So I think that was the key player of our win. Yeah.
Okay, what was the submission for you, Kubanga, you entered these categories?
For these awards, you don't submit. These guys make research. They send you emails, then that's how it happens.
Every journalist in Zambia abasinga boogera ku Oscar Kampala. We've seen like 3 journalists Oscar Kampala. You enter with other journalists, but with other ones like Iduka Abbas and everything. Lwaki?
Nange simanyi. Nange maybe mbuuze gwe lwaki. I don't know. I think it's God's grace. You understand? Everybody has a time where God puts you there. You understand? But all Ugandans were there. Everyone was recognized fully. But if you say that they talk, I didn't know. But if you say that that's what happened, then glory be to God. But next time I pray everybody, gets talked about. Because me, what I care about is Uganda. It's the Pearl of Africa. Yeah. Yeah, omuntu eyandagadde okwagira Oscar Kampala brand. Our works are all over social media. You just type in Oscar Kampala collections. Our numbers are there. We respond, deliver quality services. You have graduations, weddings. Come, we customize for you a suit.
Lwanyikodde ku motoka. Tugenda ku motoka. Motoka we.
Kasikirize tugende.
No, tugenda ku motoka we. Motoka eri.
Yeah? Eri ku kizimbe wala. Tugende sigera batugenda tambula. Yeah?
Nda.
Is it okay if we go through the engage bakwaniriza mungo tuse?
Kituufu byonna kiri okay.
We got a bigger reception than any other Ugandan.
Simanyi.
No, which I didn't like because I already have an interview with a journalist. I did an interview.